Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the GoPro HERO13 Black, the latest action camera from GoPro that promises to elevate your creative possibilities. With its advanced features, robust build, and enhanced performance, this camera is designed for adventurers and content creators alike. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The GoPro HERO13 Black features a rugged and waterproof design, capable of withstanding depths of up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a housing. It maintains the compact and durable build that GoPro is known for, with a new body design that still fits the same protective case and media mod as the HERO12 Black. Display. The HERO13 Black boasts a 2.27-inch front display and a 1.4-inch rear touch display, both offering vibrant and clear visuals. The front display is particularly useful for vlogging and framing shots, while the rear touch display provides intuitive control over settings and playback. Performance. Under the hood, the HERO13 Black is powered by the GP2 processor, enabling it to capture stunning 5.3K video at 60 FPS, 4K video at 120 fps, and 2.7K video at 240 fps. It also supports 27 megapixel photos and 24.7 megapixel video frame grabs, ensuring high-quality content in any situation. Versatility and Use Cases. The HERO13 Black excels in versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases. It features the new HB series lenses with auto detect, which automatically adjusts settings based on the attached lens or filter. This includes the macro lens mod, ultra wide lens mod, smart motion blur ND filter 4-pack, and anamorphic lens mod. Connectivity and Features. The GoPro HERO13 Black supports Wi-Fi 6, providing faster and more reliable connectivity for transferring files and live streaming. It also features Bluetooth, GPS, and a range of mounting options, including built-in mounting fingers and compatibility with industry-standard tripods. The camera supports HyperSmooth 6.0 for advanced in-camera video stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even in the most challenging conditions. Battery life and charging. The HERO13 Black comes with the new Enduro battery, a higher capacity 1900 mAh battery that offers longer runtimes in all conditions, from hot to freezing. It provides more than 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p 30, or over 1.5 hours at 4K 30 and 5.3K 30. User experience. Users have praised the GoPro HERO13 Black for its exceptional build quality, advanced features, and user-friendly interface. The high-resolution video capabilities and versatile lens options have been highlighted as standout features. However, some users have noted that the camera's premium price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Price and value. The GoPro HERO13 Black is priced at approximately $399. While it is a significant investment, the camera offers excellent value for those seeking a high-performance action camera with advanced features and superior build quality. Conclusion. The GoPro HERO13 Black is a compelling choice for adventurers and content creators seeking a versatile, high-performance action camera. Its advanced video capabilities, rugged design, and robust build quality make it a valuable tool for capturing stunning footage in any environment. Overall, the HERO13 Black offers a balanced mix of performance and features, making it a strong contender in the action camera market. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.